Sir,
Hello.
paano nangyari to?
Gusto ko po talaga kasi magdoble kara kasi ng aking kakayahan.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Oh my goodness, friendship. We were looking for that, remember, in Cebu. So ngayon tingnan natin kung siya, dahil di ba remember?
Meron doon. Kaya hindi niya nagawa ng
Hindi niya nagawang maganda. So tingnan natin ngayon si Reggie. Okay, good luck, Reggie.
Thank you po.
Go for it.
Oh, and this
Ang mga doble cara, they're always fun to watch.
My love, there's only you in my life, the only thing there's right.
My first love, and your every breath that I take, your every step I make, yeah.
And